because of course, growing up in Maryland, we would always go to Ocean City, you know, for beach week. I never thought that we'd make top 10, so that is super exciting. And I'm like, cool, wow, out of all the beaches, right? So you got, you know, Florida.
Outer Banks is my go-to, so that's where I'm at, North Carolina.
So, yeah.
But I've been to Ocean City. I love it there too.
It's
Anytime you get to the beach, it's great. And it's got us thinking summer, right?
We're ready, and it looks like you're ready too. Look at the colors that we're bringing out.
We're dressed up. We're ready for it. We're hoping we can keep some warm weather around. But folks, let's talk about it. We got some changes on the way here. Yes, it's warm right now, but we're going to see a storm system that is going to change things up drastically by the time we get to Thursday. And this storm system is going to bring quite a bit of wind. We already have high wind watches. They just were issued for tomorrow afternoon into very early Thursday morning, only for the Blue Ridge Mountains back over toward the Allegheny Front in West Virginia. So for now, these watches are confined to the highest terrain where the strongest wind speeds will be taking place. But it is likely we see wind advisories expanded out from there across the rest of the DMV as we all start to deal with this wind. And there it is. Our camera's already shaking looking back toward the National Cathedral. Clouds have rolled their way into not only the DC Metro, but also out across Hagerstown. We'll have a gray look to the sky for the rest of the day as we really do start to see the leading edge of this storm system, which means the wind, the clouds, and some rainfall. Now, that rain is having an impact on our temperatures off to the west where we have soggy conditions. We only have temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Those have dropped back down from a very mild start to the morning. Meanwhile, to the east, we have seen temperatures warming up quite a bit, low to mid 60s from northern Virginia into north central Maryland and DC. So we are going to stay on the mild side because of the fact that there's that wind. We have 10 to 20 mile per hour winds coming out of the south, and it's going to get even breezier still as we go through the rest of the day today into the night tonight. And there it is. All of that cloud cover has now spread out over the entire region. And as far as rainfall is concerned, that is confined back toward Woodstock, Winchester, and westward into the highest terrain of West Virginia and western Maryland. But the shower activity will be moving east as we progress through the day. So be ready for that soggy weather here on your Tuesday afternoon going into the evening. Now, as that rainfall continues tonight, the winds that are already breezy will really start to pick up. We could be talking about gusts as high as 45 to 50 miles an hour by late tomorrow afternoon into your Wednesday night, right as the cold front from this strong storm system arrives and brings about the steadiest rainfall we are going to see toward the end of the day tomorrow. And behind all of that, we get a change in wind direction out of the northwest. And when we see those northwesterly winds start up, that's when temperatures are going to drop and drop extremely fast. Now, in terms of rainfall, here we go. That shower activity, I don't expect it to be this intense, but we are going to see at least some rainfall moving toward the I-95 corridor, the DC Metro, by 2 to 3 p.m. So things will be turning soggy, but check this out. Once we move into the evening rush hour, 4 to 5 o'clock, that first initial wave of rainfall is out of here, and outside of a few spotty showers, many of us will dry out as we go into the night tonight and into the start of your Wednesday morning. But that is very short-lived as that cold front begins to approach. We're talking late tomorrow morning, Wednesday, 10 a.m. here, rolling into the afternoon. We're going to see some pretty steady rainfall. Pockets of heavier rain could even pop up here like we have in the red and yellow, and that will continue all the way into your Wednesday late afternoon, early evening until that cold front is through. And then once it passes on by, all of this precipitation will be over with soon after sunset on your Wednesday. So the rain is what we deal with first, along with the wind, but there's that drop in temperatures, 70 tomorrow, mid 40s by Thursday. So get ready to bundle up again, folks. The chilly air is not too far down the road.